What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am starting a new video for you right now. I'm in a huge hurry this morning though. Unfortunately, we're trying to get this truck started. I have a GMC Sierra getting done too, a 1500 that I'm really excited about. So I need to get that video started. Today we're inside a 2026 Chevy 2500 Silverado. This might be the first 2026 2500 Chevy I've seen. So we're going to be doing a 5-inch zone lift kit with Fox Shox. I think some 24x12 Artem Cosmo wheels, I think that's what it's called, and some 35 1250 24 Nitto Recon grappler tires. This is one of the best all-terrain tires that money can buy. I know this truck's going to ride good. I'm super excited about it. This is a repeat customer. He does watch my channel. This is the second truck we've done for him. I wanted to say I appreciate him for that. I'm about to get out of this truck and show you what it looks like. It's a really cool color. So sorry in advance for the audio. I know it's loud out here. This is the TrailBoss Silverado 2500, which means everything on the truck's already blacked out, all the trim. I like that a lot. It does have the red tow hooks on the front because it's a TrailBoss. This truck's gonna look really cool. This was a job that was sold by Leo, so I'm kind of going to be surprised with you as we see the wheels and tires and everything come out, but stay tuned for the process, and I appreciate everybody watching. So I feel like I might as well just throw this in the video. I said we were doing Artem wheels on there, which are these right here. I really like the way this wheel looks. The customer was really expecting a bigger lip on the wheel than this, so we ended up going with something different. If you guys want a deal on some 24x12 Artem wheels, we're gonna have these up here. They're called the Cosmos. But he's going with the Atlas from Axe, which is this wheel. And it's going to have a little bit bigger of a lip, not as much lean to the spoke. This is sort of a concave a little bit, but that wheel over there has like a mid concave spoke to it, where the spoke leans a lot more and the lip is a little bit less. But anyway, let me know what you think. So we're coming to the end of another cool build. This is the first 2026 Chevy Silverado 2500 TrailBoss that we have done. This might be the first one in the country. I'm not sure. This is the cypress green color. I think earlier in the video I may have said cypress gray. It's been a lot of trucks lately. There's a lot of new colors. I'm trying to keep up. You got your different gray colors. Chevy's got 3 or 4 different grays, and then they have this green, which is kind of a green. I guess you could call it almost a gray. So it's a really cool color. I love the way the gloss black accents kind of work out with the color package that we have on this one. The truck is ready to go. I'm on the back pad of the shop. Customer's in the office right now. You know, we did that wheel change earlier. It took us an extra day to get the truck done because of that. We were on schedule to have this truck done the first day, but ended up taking 2 days. I'm glad the customer's happy now. He really, seeing the dismay on his face yesterday when he looked at that wheel, it hurts me as a salesman. I look at him and I see the money that he's spending, and I'm like, man, it's rough, you know, buying something that you don't want. And if you don't want the wheel, I completely understand it. So fortunately enough, we worked out a deal and we were able to come to an agreement on the price and everything. We got him in some different wheels. Stay tuned for the process. Stay tuned for the clip behind this one. I'm about to show you what the truck looks like on the outside. Thank you. Here is the truck. It's that beautiful color, that cypress green. I know that the camera's not doing justice on this color right now because the lighting is crazy outside. It's late in the afternoon, it's bad, but I love the way it looks. The gloss black goes great with this color. Follow it up with a gloss black wheel like that. This is called the Axe Off-Road Atlas. This is a cast wheel, 24x12, black and milled. It's a great looking wheel. The tire that we went with on this one is the 35 1250 24 Nitto Recon Grappler. Yes, we could have gone up to a 37 and probably cut a bunch of this truck up, but I don't think he wanted to cut a bunch of it up. I think this is a good look proportionally. He said he's going to be, I think this is a truck he's going to be spending a lot of time in, maybe for work. So I think this is a good setup for it. We did the 5-inch Zone lift kit. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Zone, let me explain. Zone is a brand that is owned by Fox Company, just like BDS. It's the same manufacturer, same parts basically. It's just a little bit less expensive than BDS, not because it's bad quality, but because they don't do as many pieces, really is what it is. There's a lot of pieces that you don't have to have, like upper control arms. You can use your factory ones with this with this Zone lift. It does come with the Fox Adventure Series shock. This is not the Fox 2.0 that you would see in the Cognito or the BDS kit. The only difference that I can see is that piece is welded up top. It looks more like a rough country style shock, but it is a Fox at the end of the day. I like it. Looks really, really nice on the truck. Zone has their torsion bar drop bracket right here, where the BDS kit has a non-torsion bar drop, which means the bar goes up higher, and the piece is made up here from BDS that moves that torsion bar up. So I think that's the big difference. There's no real difference in ride or, you know, longevity or anything. It's just seeing that piece and not seeing it on BDS versus Zone. BDS and Zone are the same company, so same engineers, I'm sure. Overall, the truck rides. It looks really good. It rides really good. The alignment is great. There's really no reason not to get this kit. So let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. I'm about to put a price right after this clip so you guys can see what this one would cost. And if you want to reach out and give me a call, the number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And thanks for watching.